What is mitochondrial Eve in human genetics? Have you ever wondered who the most recent common ancestor of all living humans is? Let's talk about a fascinating figure in human genetics known as Mitochondrial Eve. This name refers to the most recent woman from whom everyone alive today inherits their mitochondrial DNA through an unbroken line of mothers. Imagine tracing your family tree back through generations of mothers. Eventually, all lines connect to this one woman who lived between 100,000 and 200,000 years ago. Mitochondria are tiny structures within our cells that produce energy. What makes them special is that they have their own DNA, which is different from the DNA found in the cell nucleus. Unlike nuclear DNA, mitochondrial DNA is passed down almost exclusively from mother to child. This unique way of inheritance allows scientists to trace maternal ancestry over long periods by studying mutations that build up in mitochondrial DNA over generations. It is important to note that Mitochondrial Eve was not the only woman alive during her time, nor was she the first human female. She was one among many women, but only her maternal line has continued to the present day. Other women's lines eventually ended without daughters, which is why their mitochondrial DNA did not survive. Scientists estimate the age of Mitochondrial Eve by comparing the differences in mitochondrial DNA among people around the world. Mutations in mitochondrial DNA happen at a steady rate, roughly one mutation every 3,500 years per nucleotide. This allows researchers to create a family tree of mitochondrial lineages and date the common ancestor. Research suggests that Mitochondrial Eve likely lived in Africa. This supports the idea that modern humans originated there before spreading across the globe. Genetic studies show that all major human populations share African maternal ancestry, reinforcing this theory. Understanding Mitochondrial Eve is essential for studying human evolution, migration patterns, and how different populations are related. It highlights how genetic information can reveal our shared history, connecting everyone through a common maternal ancestor. So next time you think about your family history, remember that we all share a link to this remarkable woman from our distant past.